John! Oh! Did you see? Oh, you were there. Welcome to the party, folks. Come on! Let's go, me and you, man, and get fish. Come and get it. No!
Through this room right now, I'm aware of their hidden talents. Just
everybody, please make sure that you remain seated. We're now inside of Soundstage 50. Soundstage 50 is always set up as a subway station, as you can see right now. Basically what we're meant to do is change the signs, change the props. It could be in any subway station. So right now the BART, San Francisco for production, has been filming inside of here. It was the DC Metro in an episode of Bones. Whoa! Alright guys, this is a California tremor. Get me from time to time. It's not a big deal. Alright, this might be a big deal. Hold on to your belongings. If you have any last words for your loved ones, say them now! I think we're gonna be okay. Thank goodness the water made it. Great. Is everybody okay?
Let's come back. Let's come back. One step forward just a little bit. Lucky for him, his entire outfit is camouflage. Except for his head, so everything below your neck is perfectly safe. Good job, guys. See you later. All right, who is next? Come on over. Yeah, absolutely. It's just the three of you all? All right, so we are gonna call you appetizer. Sir, you're entree. And young man, you get to be dessert. Now, velociraptors have incredibly high metabolism.
Live long and prosper.
Stone or brick is really foam, rubber, fiberglass, and plastic. We work with these much lighter materials so it's easier to make changes to these buildings as new productions might come through, change the location, the time period, maybe they have to do stunts, maybe they have to crash into these buildings, anything. It's much easier when we're working with these lighter materials. Now this church here to our left-hand side is a non-denominational church. This is an exception to the facade rule. This is a practical set. There is an interior that we can use for filming, but that's what we call practical set. But if you look to your right-hand side, these buildings clearly do not have an interior. Where we're headed now is our New York street. My co-host Jimmy Fallon is no stranger to New York because that's where he films tonight's show. Here he is.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York. I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. Once got moved over there. That old tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Ready to meet? Just like old times. Gotta love New York City.
New York City 잘.
Hey, it's cool guys.
시플랜드가 이제 시작할게요.
So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Even if you make it here on the Universal lot.
All right, you guys, welcome to our New York Street. It's not just regular productions that film here. American Ninja Warrior actually filmed here at the beginning of last summer. They filmed an episode with all those obstacle courses set up along this street. But again, our New York Street, our metropolitan sets in general can be any time and any place. This is 1800s London in Bram Stoker's Dracula, starring Gary Oldman. This was the swinging 60s of London, and Austin Powers is by Who Shagged Me. This was the early 20s of LA in Changeling, starring Angelina Jolie. This was Chicago in the movie The Blues Brothers, as well as the movie The Sting. Anytime, any place we can film it out here, and we have total control over the filming process, whether we film in our metropolitan sets or anywhere on our back lot. Or leaving the concrete jungle and making our